Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to see in this video regarding the fees master configuration for the ILMIFY application. Okay, so now what you are looking on the screen, it's an admin dashboard. So from here you are going to do the fees configuration. So on the left side you can able to find there's a different options are there, dashboard, setup and students management. Just scroll down that side, there you can find a fees option. Okay, once you click on the fees option you may get more options over here. So each and every option will show you in different dashboard. So first of all let me take you with the fees dashboard. So this fees dashboard will be given you the complete overview of fees collection, fees due amount, and how many students has paid the fees, and how many people are on the partial payment, and how many people have not paid, and batch wise and course wise also you will have the overview on this dashboard. Okay, so after that there's another option called fees master. From in this fees master only you are going to configure the fees. Okay, so how you are going to configure means, first of all you are going to go with the option of add fees master. Click on add fees master. So here it will ask you the option to select the course. So now I am selecting a course Lugha Al Arabiya. Okay, then here it will give you the same name. So if you want to change some name for this, if you are having that monthly payment or yearly payment fees for this particular course, you can simply add like a January fees, like that you can just add the name over here. If you want to add some descriptions, you can also add the description over here. So now once it has been added, so under this course what are the different fees breakup is there, you can, if you want to show it out, you can show. How you can show it means, just go with the add items. Once you click this add items, you will have an option to add the different fees within this course. So let me just add you like in a books fees. Okay, and I'm just entering the amount 500. So here you will have the two option, by days or by date. Means by days means after the enrollment, within these particular days they have to pay this payment. And also if you are going with the monthly payment, you can just go with the this by date option. You can just select some particular date on the day, monthly action, whether it's an fifth date of the every month they should pay within that, like that. And after that, within this course, if you are having some additional fees, just go with the add items and add here like hostel fees. Okay, you can give the hostel fees name over here. So once you have given, you can give the amount over here also. Similarly, how we have given to above the section, like that you can give. So within a course, if you are having different fees structure, you can just create them one by one. Once you have created, you can just save the fees master. Once you have saved, it will be reflect you on the fees entry dashboard. Okay, so here we have classified these features based on the plans. In some plan you will get only fees entry, where you can just on the right side you can find a blue button which is like a view button. Click on view button. So here you will get in a dashboard. There you can able to just mark whether this student has paid or not paid. So once you have marked this paid and unpaid, here you have the option to update the fees marking. So once you click this fees marking, you will be get updated with the fees who all are paid. Okay, this could be some functionality which comes with the some plans. And apart from that, if you want to just add individual students payment, just go with the fees payment option on the left side. Now you can able to see each and every student's name will be shown here. Here on the top you can also have any filter option. If you want to have a particular course students, you can just apply the filter and their name will be comes under this dashboard. So according to that you can just mark the payments. So now if you are going to update the individual students payments fees, just click on the name of the student, it will get open. Okay, so if a person is paying, here you have the option of add payment. just click on the add payment option and give the payment name. Okay, and what is the amount is paying, and if you want to add any description you can just add it, and you can save the payments. Once you save the payment, this kind of list will be shown here. So you have paid uniform fees like 564 was overall fee, in that you have paid 400, 164 is balance due amount. Okay, so here how you have paid this amount means, if you want to check individual transaction, you can just click on this individual transaction. So if you have paid this partially, each and every transaction will be recorded, you can able to record here. Okay, so this could be very helpful at the management level to manage each and every student's fees payment accordingly. Okay, so this could be like an, if you want to take it like based on the course, you can use the filter and you can add it. Okay, now the same thing on the right side, you can able to find a view option. Click on view option, it will open the individual students dashboard. So here you can just select the course and you can select the students. Here also you can able to see the individual students dashboard. Okay, so now after this, on the left side you can just come up with the fees settings. On the fees, these fees settings will be if you are running with if you are providing parents app to your students parents. So from that mobile app, if you want to show the bank details, if you want to remind the bank details on their mobile app itself, you can just configure this fees settings with the fees with your institution code over here, and you can also add your institution QR code. Okay, and then you can just add your payment details given below on this field. Bank details field is there. In that bank details you can give your bank details, UPI details, as well as bank account details. Okay, and here payment instruction is there. In the payment instruction, if they are finding anything errors or anything things are there, they need some support or they need some assistance, you can just leave your mobile number over here. This will also reflect on their mobile app. Okay, so now let me just I just forget to say one more thing. So if you want to provide receipt for each and every students, here we have the receipt option also. Once the payments done, you can provide them the receipt. So once you click here, you will get a receipt downloaded. Once you download, and you can just share on the WhatsApp with your WhatsApps. Okay, so from here I'm just concluding this fees structure. Thank you so much for being me with this fees structure module video. Jazakallah.